Okay, so good morning, everybody. Today we are going to understand story writing. As you know that this is there in your syllabus, so we are going to understand this from the beginning. First, we'll understand what story writing is. Story writing is a narration of a set of a fictitious event used to convey a moral message. Fine. So whenever something happens with you, whenever something happens in the name of fiction, in the name of horror, in the name of romance, in the name of comedy, and which gives also a message too, so that comes in story writing. And one note you need to keep in mind while writing the story, that story is always written in past tense. It is not written in present tense, it is not written in future, but yes, it is always written in past tense itself. There are certain points to remember while writing a story. For those are, first you have to give a catchy title. Your title should be catchy, always catchy in the sense you can say that your title should be fascinating, it should be attractive. Second, you have to write a catchy first paragraph. Your first paragraph should be your first impression, as you know that the first impression is the last one. So you have to write the first paragraph in a very catchy manner. It should be very fascinating. The third one, you have to develop your character. Obviously, without character, a story is nothing. Just when we see movies, there are always characters. होते हैं. So just like that, whenever you want to write a story, first you have to develop your characters in your mind, and then you have to write it down. Fourth, choose a point of view. You have to write a story on which point. Like it can be horror, it can be romantic, it can be comedy, it can be of any. So first you have to choose the point of view for the same. Write meaningful dialogues. Obviously, without dialogues, the story is nothing. जब तक characters आपस में बात नहीं करेंगे कुछ होगा ही नहीं. So you have to write the meaningful dialogue always. Use setting and context. Context means the story is about what. You have to write that also. कि किस बारे में है story, that also you need to keep in mind. So you have to use the setting and the context always. Set up the plot. किस बारे में है story. Set up the means plot is the base of the story. Fine. Then create the conflict. चीजें कैसे हो रही है, that is conflict. Build a crisis or a climax. Obviously there is a climax always. जब भी story चलती है हमेशा climax होता है, तो you have to develop a climax also. And obviously deliver a resolution. हमेशा end करने से पहले you have to deliver a resolution. For example, I'm telling you, you will get these sort of examples in your exam. You will be getting 2-3 lines, and then you have to develop the story with the help of those lines. For example, it was raining heavily, the street lights had gone off, and I was returning. Now dash dash dash. What you need to do, you have to complete the story in about 150 words, providing an appropriate title to it. So I have completed it for you, and obviously you can say the title is sort of catchy. I mean, there's nothing related to the accident in this example. ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं दिया हुआ, but still I made it. So I'm gonna tell you the catchy title. So it was raining heavily. The street lights had gone off, and I was returning home after enjoying a wonderful evening with friends. The memories of the evening were still fresh with me. We had watched the action thriller Horror. Then we had spent some time in the restaurant discussing the actors in the story. Finally, seeing the overcast sky, we decided to part. I started on my motorcycle. Soon it began to rain. There was no light on the road. Still, I kept going. Suddenly, I felt that my bike had hit a cyclist. The cyclist had fallen on the road. I stopped. See, what have you done to me? Cried the young man, nursing his wounds. Sorry, I couldn't see in the darkness, I replied. Here are 500 rupees. With that, you can pay the doctor and mend your cycle. Don't show me your money. Go your way, but carefully now, lest you should hit someone else. Ashamed of myself, I took him to the hospital, and after that, dropped him to his place. I learned a lesson that day. So this was the story from my side. It is not more than 120 to 150 words. And now there's a homework for you. The question says, I jumped out of the bed at midnight. And now you have to complete the given story in your own words, and you have to provide a catchy title in not more than 100 to 120 words. That's all for today. Thank you.